Abdali Grammar School, Physics 10th, Unit 11, Sound, Lecture 1, Sound Production. What is sound? Sound is the form of energy which produced by vibration. These are vibration which produce sound. Now the question is, what is energy? Capacity to do work is known as energy. If we have energy, we do anything in the world. Look at the picture. A man is trying to lift the weight. If he had energy, he will be doing so. But we see that he did this. It means he had energy. Energy is the capacity to do work. How sound is produced? How sound is produced? Sound is produced by vibrating body. Look at the picture. A man is clap his hand. When he clap, he produce vibration, which in turn produce sound. Can we hear sound without vibration? The answer will be no. We can't hear sound without vibration. These are the lines which has no vibration. It means no sound will be produced from these lines and we can't hear. Sound is produced only by vibrations. Nature of sound. Sound has longitudinal nature. It transfers in terms of compression and rarefaction. This is tuning fork and these are the air particles. There is no vibration, no compression and rarefaction. When tuning fork produce vibration, it produce compression and compress the air particle. This is known as compression and this is rarefaction. These compression and rarefaction transfer from one place to another and transfer sound from one place to another place in the air. Tuning fork. What is tuning fork? The instrument which we use to produce sound in labs is called tuning fork. When tuning fork vibrate, it produces vibrations. These are vibrations. Frequency of sound produced. Frequency of sound produced by tuning fork, it depends upon the frequency of tuning fork, which was written on tuning fork. How does sound travel? Medium is required for the propagation of sound. What is medium? Types of medium. There are three types of medium: solid, liquid and gas. The speed of sound in solid is very fast as compared to liquid and gas. The speed of sound in gas is very low. Sound cannot travel in space. Sound is a mechanical wave and it requires medium. That's why it cannot transfer in space. This is a jar which has no air. It means it has space. No sound will be transferred from that jar. It means sound is a mechanical wave. It cannot transfer without medium. Mechanical wave. Sound is a mechanical wave, that's why it cannot travel in space. It requires medium. This is the medium. Medium will be in liquid, solid or gas, which is used to transfer sound from one place to another place. Material medium is very important for the propagation of sound. Importance of medium. Now students, we discuss the importance of medium. That if there is no medium, no sound will be produced. We can prove it with the bell jar apparatus. The bell jar is placed on the platform of vacuum pump. As electric bell is suspended in the bell jar with the help of two wires connected to a power supply. By setting on the power supply, electric bell will begin to ring. We can hear the sound of the bell. Now start pumping out air from the jar. by means of vacuum pump. The sound of the bell start becoming more and more feebler and eventually dies out, although the bell is still ringing. When we put the air back into the jar, we can hear the sound of the bell again. From these separators, we know that the sound wave can only travel in the presence of air. If there is no air, no sound will be produced or propagate. From this activity, we know that air is very necessary or medium is very necessary for the propagation of sound.